Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change display language on ChatGPT application using your mobile device. To change your display language in ChatGPT, first of all, open up the ChatGPT application. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, tap on the two lines at the top left corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on your username at the bottom, and then this will open up the settings page. Scroll down and tap on App Language. Now you'll end up in your device's language setting page. You will need to change your device's language so that you can change it on ChatGPT as well. Click the language option on your smartphone and select any other language you want to change to. This will also change your device's language settings, so make sure you make a wise choice. After tapping on one of the languages, you will then be able to change your ChatGPT's language interface as well. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.